Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I am Niall Mari from Best RV in Turlock, California. Today what I brought for you another destination with 2 bedrooms. Actually no, 3 bedrooms. 2 bedroom upstairs, 1 bedroom downstairs, 2 full bathroom, and one of the bathroom has 2 vanity sink. And there are 2 complete full bathroom with the 2 entry doors. One you could walk into the destination from the back, and one is you could walk in the destination from the living area. And then there's a third entrance where you could walk to the big bathroom in the front. Let's talk about the nice features about the 39J. As you see from the back, you have a big patio system in the rear. Now, what is very common on the Cherokee destination is they use the mirror windows and mirror doors. So this door, you could see my reflection as well the cameraman, because they are built in. And the reason why they do that, so they could reflect the heat outside. Nice 4-step to get in the back. This is the 2 opposing slides with a panorama window. Here, this is the kitchen slide. This is the city water connections, cable hookup, sunlight hookup, all the connections right here. And then there's a switch you could see at night when you're plugged in. As well, you have the endless hot water heater. That's the sewage line. This is the bedroom slide. And again, they divide the storage halfway, inside, outside. Another outside shower, hot and cold. This is not a storage, this is access to the top, but I show it to you. Another sandy flush, 2 propane tank. So 39JD. This is also has a hookup here for a TV. That's what's nice thing about the 39JM. On the 39JM, even as a destination, they're still giving you a hookup for TV outside, 2 speakers with a plug, nice power awning with LED lights, and this is the third entrance to the living room. So there's not much to talk outside on this destination because everything talk is going to be inside. But you could see I love too many windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 windows just on this side. So when you walk in, you feel it's more bright, more open. Let's walk inside. I'm going to walk from the back and start going from the back all the way to the front, show you the 39JM. As you see, isn't it beautiful? Again, I don't know how to say it. The beams, the wood of Timberwolf. This is the Cherokee Timberwolf. With the lightings, all the light fixtures, the ceiling fan, the multiple AC in the ceiling. Before I just talk up, then I'll go down because I'm really impressed with this kind of beam and the metals in the roof. They tried to make it as a house. And let's be honest, it is a house on wheels. I could live in this, no question asked, if I have the opportunity. Big windows in the top, big entry door with the windows is so bright when you walk in. It brings the outdoor to inside and the inside to the outside. They support it with a J-lounge sofa, as you see here. You could sit easy. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 people. They give you nice ottomans. And again, if this ottoman is a storage box, you could put some toys, books. Also, if you have more people to sit, feel free. There's additional seating here. So you could see how open, it's residential look. You have a nice table and a 4-chair right there, and they sit really comfy. I tried them. Wow, nice. And it has a dining table with extension. As you see, you could open that extension and you could close it and you fold it down for traveling. All this slide and on the Cherokee, they come with what's called panorama window, which is the window from the top all the way to the bottom. It gives you nice fresh air and it look like you're sitting in the nice nature. Across from it, they give you a nice island with solid service. You see solid service as additional to seating area. So I could sit 2 people here eating quick, or I could 2 here watching the game, talking to the people in the lounge, talking to the people in the ottoman, talking to the people in the dinette. So you could see 2, 4, and we say here 4, that's 8, 9, 10, 11. I could sit 11 people in these trailers and nobody bumping against each other. The nice slidings, you could drop this one for reading if you read some book. Beautiful entertainment center. As you see, let me just push this one to give you an idea. And you have a nice big smart TV. And I love the mechanism. Huge pantry. I mean, what else you need bigger than that? Huge. So ladies, don't complain. You got a big hidden pantry. You have a lot of doors, more storage, more storage. Yeah, smart TV, and then they give you nice shelving here, if you wanna. And then this is adjustable. You could, as I said, you could remove it and adjust where you want to put that shelf. You could bring it down, you could bring it up, whatever you want. You could do that. Beautiful. Love this entertainment center, and by the way, come with it. All my 39JW. It has a nice country sink with a high-rise faucet. Cup rinse, cutting board, place for trash can, more doors, more storage, more tinsels. I mean, again, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 doors you could put. They give you the bracket for the TV outside. Another storage over here. Nice big macrave, 30-inch. Nice 3-burner range with the glass backsplash right there. Big oven. Cooking pan. The people they think is a warmer, which is not. It's a cooking pan. Tray. You have the 4-door reefer, as you see here. Still on paper. And then 2 freezers with the freezer doors. Another storage. And then coming over here, so you have a full bathroom. And again, this is a full bathroom. So you have a nice fan with a light here. Fan and light. Standing shower with a big shower head. And then modern, I like this drain. Now it's like the new houses. Modern drain. Again, close it. Fan. Nice medicine cabinet, big sink, very room, porcelain toilet. So it's a second full bathroom. Very important, second full bathroom. So the kids, when they're staying in the upper lift, they could go down from the stairs and use their full bathroom, and nobody bother the parents who are living on the master suite. Over here, you have a beautiful, I could stand in this closet, a stackable washer dryers prep, and again, we could add that here at the dealership if you choose to have. And this is a stackable washer dryer for you if you decide. Now, if you don't want to use the stackable washer, you could use a big storage closet. Coming down over here, we have a beautiful, oh my God. I mean, the cameraman need to come over here and show them. It's like a military. I could sleep 2, 4 people with their own fireplace in this big loft. I mean, again, 2, 4 in the top, 2 at the bottom, that's 6. And then I could add mattress, and you could see here in this other loft bed, you could see here, this is the second loft bed. I could sleep another kid here. Or if you don't want to sleep people in this loft bed, you could use it as a storage. And then there's all of them. They have USB plug, 110, and windows. And I love this light. It's actually neat for the kids. They love it at night, so they don't have to step up in the dark. And as I said, look, the height is no issue. And then there's a hidden storage inside the step. So if you pull it out, so they don't waste the space. They try to give you more storage than anything else. And then coming down here with a nice big bar. And this is the master suite. Wow. Wow, this is impressed. And the point is master suite with my own bathroom. So I have a really big window, big seating area. I could put my 32-inch TV in my bedroom here if I want, and there's support. My own fireplace in the bedroom, my king-size bed, my closets, storage underneath. There's more closets here. big hanging clothes. See here? And I have my own master suite bathroom. 2 vanity, medicine cabinet for his and her, sink for his and her, and more storage. Nice glass shower door, so no water will go outside with the step. Wow. Nice, beautiful. And again, same thing, fan and light. I love it. So, and you could use this area also as a dressing area. So you could come here and get dressed and no issue at all. So this is the 39JM. Follow me, guys. Let me close this bathroom door. So the 39JM, it's amazing floor plan, amazing unit. It's a house, I want to call it, with 3 bedroom, 2 in the top, 1 at the bottom, and 3 bedroom, 2 full bath. Amazing. I don't know what to say because you can say, you're talking. All I could say, I got your price. No one could match on this side of the country. Come in and purchase the unit because we have it on an awesome deal. Come to Best RV and grab the 39JM in a standard or the black label. Coming in.